Hello my amazing viewers, welcome back to Cook with Grace Kisui. So in today's video we'll be making beans and plantain porridge with fish. So congratulations to all the women in the house, all the mommies, all the you know why I'm congratulating you now. Tomato don't they come out. At least I bought this one for 1,000 naira. So tomato is coming out. It's a thing of joy. So in a pot, after boiling my fish, I fry the fish. Yes, I fry the fish before frying my plantain. So after that, another thing that is most expensive in the market now is plantain. I bought 4 sticks of plantain for 1,000 naira. At least my day waiting will go do now. The country will find ourselves. But one mistake I did was I fried the fish before the plantain. So next time you fry the plantain before the fish. So after frying the plantain, I set it aside. So if today is your first time or you're just coming across this page for the first time, you're welcome, and this is Cook with Grace Kisui. And please don't forget to always clean your environment, because cleanliness is next to godliness. And please also don't forget to tell me where you're watching me from, so that in my next video I'm gonna send you a big hug. So let's continue. In my frying pan, I add my groundnut, I add palm oil, and I add my onions. I like to saute for a while to give it this flavor. Then I add my fresh blended tomato with pepper. So what I want to tell you about cooking is we are all the same thing. The only difference between you and a chef is just that you as a person, you refuse to put touch the way method in which you cook. You always remain in one method of cooking. So the difference between a normal cooking and someone that is a chef is just that the person create different ideas on how to cook. Okay, that's the difference. Aside from that, we're all the same thing. Everyone knows how to cook. So sometimes you just need to change the method in which you cook, so that your family could get a taste of different meal. When you change the method of cooking, definitely you'll get a different taste and your family will enjoy you for this. So what are you still waiting for, guys? Try to change the method. I hope you love this recipe, and I believe you'll be giving it a try. And see you guys in my next video. I love you guys, and remain blessed. Our food, beans and plantain porridge, is ready, and I garnish with fried fish. I love you guys, and God bless you. And please don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more interesting video like this. Bye.